my dear students, for today's video, we're going to talk about permutation and combination, but this time we're going to answer questions with both permutation and combination in one solution. Kasi po, my dear students, may mga questions po tayo na actually para makuha yung answer, kailangan nating gamitin yung both combination and permutation sa iisang problem. So, paano po yun? So, for example, ganito po yung question natin. So example number 1. If 4 math books are selected from 6 different math books and 3 English books are chosen from 5 different English books, in how many ways can 7 books be arranged on a shelf? Sa problem pong ito, meron po tayong math books at meron po tayong English books. So ilan pong math books ang available dito sa problem natin? There are 6 different math books. So, ibig sabihin, 6 po ito. And how many English books are there? So, meron po tayong 5 English books. Pero sabi po dito, from 6 books, ilan lang daw po yung kailangan natin makuha para makompleto sa 7 books? So, that is 4. So, we have here, 4 po yung kailangan natin. At si English books naman po, ilan lang daw pong English books from 5 books yung kailangan? That is 3. So, kung maalala po natin doon sa first 3 videos natin, ano po yung gagamitin natin kapag meron po tayong problems na katulad nito? Halimbawa, 4 out of 6 kailangan na math books or 3 out of 5 kailangan doon sa English books. So, alin po? Is it combination or permutation? So, dito po, ang gagamitin po natin is combination. Why combination? Because we're not dealing with order here. Kapag may order, yun lang po yung kailangan nating gamitin si permutation. However, kung wala lang naman pong order, halimbawa wala pong sinabi na kailangan nasa trifecta sila, or ibig sabihin na sa isang line sila, hindi natin kailangan ng permutation. So dito po, ang gagamitin natin is combination. So sabi po dito, di ba, if 4 math books are selected from 6 books, so that is the combination of 6 taken 4 at a time. And, so may nakikita tayo ditong end. At ang end po natin, ano nga pong symbol natin yan? Mathematical symbol, that is multiplication. So, ibig sabihin, i-multiply po natin si the combination of 6 taken 4 at a time para kay math at si combination of 5 taken 3 at a time para kay English. So, that is 6 combination of 4 times 5 combination of 3. Times, sabi po dito, arranged in a shelf. So, sa isang shelf po, di ba, para sila mga nakalinya. So, ibig sabihin, gagamit tayo dito ng permutation kasi po may arrangement na dito. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang po dito matatapos yung solution natin kay English at kay math kasi si English at si math book naka-arrange pa rin naman sa line. So, we have here the permutation of 7 taken 7 at a time kasi po 7 po yung kailangan natin shelf at ilan po yung books na meron tayo? 7 din po. Kaya ito po yung magiging solution natin. So to calculate that is 6 combination of 4 times 5 combination of 3 times 7 permutation of 7. So that will give us 756,000. So example 1.2. If 4 math books are selected from 6 different math books and 3 English books are chosen from 5 different English books, in how many ways can 7 books be arranged on a shelf if 4 math books remain together? So paano po natin yan isa-solve? So first, let's visualize the problem. So ibig sabihin daw po, meron tayong 7 books. 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ito pong book 1 natin, math na to, math 1, math 2, math 3, math 4. At kailangan daw po, together lang sila, magkakasama sila. At di ba po, my dear students, katulad ng mga examples natin dati, kapag may mga ayaw maghiwalay, ano nga po gagamitin natin dyan? Permutation po. So, that is the permutation of, so since math po sila, ang gagamitin natin, math din po, opo. So, that is 6. There are 6 math books here. So, the permutation of 6 taken 4 at a time. Kasi po, meron na po tayong sure na math na 4, pero magkakasama sila. That is why it is permutation. Times And daw po, meron tayong English na 3 din. So, since meron na tayong 4, pero magkakasama sila, ibig sabihin, my dear students, ito, check na to. Since 7 yung kailangan nating books, ibig sabihin, dito po, yung tatlo dito ay kay English na. But this time, ano po yung gagamitin natin kay English books? So, out of 5 daw na English books, kailangan ng 3. So, ano pong gagamitin natin? Is it permutation or still combination? So, tingin niyo po. It is still combination po. Bakit combination? Kasi po wala naman pong sinabi na nasa isang linya sila. Pwedeng ibig sabihin, meron ditong nauunang English, then susundan ng 4 na math, then 2 English. Pwede din naman po 3 math, then yung 4 na English nasa hulihan. Or pwede din naman 2 English dito, then 4 na math, then isa sa hulihan na English. So, ibig sabihin, wala sila sa isang linya, pwedeng magkabali-baliktad. So, that is combination kay English. So, dyan na po ba nagtatapos? Pwede na po ba nating i-calculate to? Actually, hindi pa po. Bakit? Kasi po, nasa isang shelf po sila. Ibig sabihin, pwede pa silang ma-rearrange. Katulad nga ng sinabi natin kanina, na pwedeng mauna sa English, then 4 na math, then another na English. So, ibig sabihin, ito po, my dear students, katulad ng ginawa natin dati, pwede pa po natin silang ma-permutate. Why? Kasi po ito, as one group na sila. Then ito, pwede pa sila magkabali-baliktaran. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ibig sabihin, i-multiply pa natin siya ng another permutation. So, since there are 4 na, kasi ito po, as one group na sila, so bibilangin na natin sila as 1 kasi ayaw nga po nilang magkahiwalay. So, that is 4. Opo, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4. The permutation of 4 taken 4 at a time. So, ito na po yung whole nating solution. So, that will give us the permutation of 6 taken 4 at a time times the combination of 5 taken 3 at a time times the permutation of 4 taken 4 at a time. So that will give us 86,400. So our final answer is 86,400 po. Yan po yung total arrangement po natin kung ito po yung magiging condition natin or yung magiging restriction natin na kailangan magkakasama si maths. Opo, it's either nasa unahan sila, nasa gitna, or nasa hulihan. So example number 1.3. If 4 math books are selected from 6 different math books and 3 English books are chosen from 5 different English books, in how many ways can 7 books be arranged on a shelf if a math book is at the beginning of the shelf? So, ibig sabihin po, my dear students, meron tayo ditong stationary na math kasi sigurado na daw po na yung first book po natin doon sa shelf is math. And ibig sabihin, ito pong 6, yun po yung hindi natin sure kung ano yung mga librong yan. Pero alam natin na yung beginning daw po is math. So, para po mapili itong math na ito, since we have 6 math books dito, ibig sabihin, pwede natin siyang maisulat as 6 representing the 6 math books. Opo, ibig sabihin, halimbawa, yung sa 6 na ito, yung isa nga is trigonometry, yung isa nga is pre-calculus, yung isa naman nga is integral, yung isa is differential calculus, yung isa naman po is algebra and whatnot, hanggang may mabuo silang 6. So, ilan pong possible na math book, since pare-paras lang naman po silang math book, pero ilan po yung pwedeng mailagay dyan na math? So, di ba po, since we have 6 books, ibig sabihin, isa doon sa 6, pwedeng mailagay. Kaya we have 6 options for math. Kaya po nilagay natin 6. Pero sabi po dito, di ba, 4 math books daw po doon sa isang shelf yung kailangan. So since meron na tayo dito isang math book, so ilan na lang pong math books yung meron tayo doon sa 6 na pwedeng pagpilian dito po sa tatlong to. So di ba po, we only have 5 na lang. Kasi kung ito math na, ito meron na lang tayong pagpipilian na 5 math books. And ang kailangan natin na math book na lang dito sa shelf para makompleto silang 4, that is 3. So we have the combination of 5 taken 3 at a time for math din po ito po. para maging 4 sila. So, kung ito math, 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 so 4 na sila. So, still na-satisfy yung problem natin. Times dito naman po sa English, ilan pong English book ang kailangan natin? We need 3 English books. Pero ilan po lahat ng English books ang meron tayo? We have 5. So that is still the combination of 5 taken 3 at a time. Times, my dear students, so since 'di ba nasa shelf po sila, at kapag sinabi nating shelf, para silang nakalinya, nasa isa silang line. At kapag ang mga objects nakalinya, meron po bang arrangement or walang arrangement? Meron pong arrangement. So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin gamitin dito ang permutation of 6 taken 6 at a time. So, bakit nga po 6 na lang po? Because we only have 6 books na lang na pwede nating i-rearrange. Kasi nga po si math, hindi na natin pwedeng i-rearrange, hindi na siya kasama sa arrangement kasi sure na siya yung simula. Opo. So, ito na lang po yung pwede nating i-rearrange, itong 6 na book. So, that is permutation of 6 taken 6 at a time. So, now, let's calculate. So, that is 6 times the quantity 5 or the combination of 5 taken 3 at a time for the math. And we also have the combination of 5 taken 3 at a time for the English naman ito. And yun pong i-rearrange pa natin siya sa isang shelf. So that is the permutation of 6 taken 6 at a time. So that will give us 432,000. So ito po yung total arrangement natin. So the same problem po, pero dito po ang tinatanong naman, in how many ways can 7 books be arranged on a shelf if math and English books alternate? So actually po, di ba, para siyang katulad noong problem natin doon sa video number 1, kung saan si girl at si boy is alternate. So ibig sabihin, meron tayong 7 books. So 4 po si math, 4 po yung math, at 3 po yung English. So we have here math, 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 math. Pwede din po. At dito naman po, pwedeng English, English, English. So still 7 sila. So ano nga po, my dear students, yung ginagamit natin kapag nakalinya sila and alternate? So kapag ganito po, my dear students, na may mga alternate, ibig sabihin meron po tayong arrangement and we need to use the permutation. So, ibig sabihin, yung permutation ni math and yung permutation ni English, kailangan nating i-multiply. So, for the permutation of math, we have the permutation of how many math books are there? We have 6 math books, taken 4 at a time, times the permutation for the English naman this time, how many English books are there? So, we have 5 English books, taken 3 at a time. So, that will give us the permutation of 6 taken 4 at a time, times the permutation of 5 taken 3 at a time. So that will give us 21,600. So ito po yung total nating arrangement. 21,600. So example 2.1 po tayo. In how many different 8-letter words are possible using the letters of the word syllabus? So review po tayo. So ano po, my dear students, na gagamitin natin? So actually, ito po ay nasa video number 2 natin. And this is permutation with repetition. At ano nga po, my dear students, ang ginagamit nating formula? So that is n factorial all over x factorial times y factorial times z factorial. Wherein ito pong x, y, z, ito po yung letters na may mga repetition. So, using po this formula, ilan po, my dear students, na ngayon? Yung different words, 8-letter words. So, ilan po muna yung letters ng syllables? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we have 8 factorial all over. So, si S po ba, ilang beses na ulit? 1, 2. So, we have here 2 factorial. Si Y po na ulit? Hindi po. So, si L na ulit? Yes po. Ilang beses po? Dalawa din po. So, that is 2 factorial also. So, now, si A na ulit po ba? Hindi po. Si B na ulit, si U na ulit, hindi din po. So, ibig sabihin, ito lang po yung pwede nating makompute. So, now, using our calculator, that is 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial. times 2 factorial. And that will give us 10,080. So meaning to say, my dear students, yung 8-letter words na pwede nating mabuo sa word na syllabus, so unnecessary po kung meron pong meaning or wala, basta daw po word na merong 8 letters, that is 10,080. Okay, example 2.2. From the word syllabus, if a word is chosen at a random, find the probability. So kapag sinabi nating probability, my dear students, it's either ang result po natin is fraction or decimal. Kasi nga po, di ba, when we say probability, ibig sabihin po, nag-range lang siya from 0 to 1. It's either it is a fraction or decimal po. That the 8-letter word contains the two S's together. So to illustrate that, ibig sabihin daw po si S and S magkasama lagi. And nandito na po yung other letters natin. So my dear students, using also our formula n factorial all over x factorial, y factorial, z factorial, ganito din po my dear students yung gagawin natin. So since nga po my dear students, si s and s ayaw nilang maghiwalay, ano nga po yung ginagamit natin? Is it combination or permutation? Kapag may mga objects na dapat hindi paghiwalayan. So that is permutation. Bakit po? Kasi po, that is still an arrangement. Opo. So that is permutation. But this time, the permutation of 7 taken 7 at a time. Bakit 7 taken 7 at a time? Because po, my dear students, si S and S, i-group lang natin siya as 1 kasi nga po, hindi natin siya pwedeng paghiwalayin. Pero pwede natin siyang ma-rearrange dito. So, ibig sabihin, that is the permutation of 7 taken 7 at a time. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, pero still, 8 letters po sila kasi kapag binilihan po natin sila per letter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pero dito po kasi sa problem natin, si S and S kailangan daw po laging magkasama. All over. So, ilan na lang po my dear students, kung ito pong si SNS, bibilangin lang po natin siya as one letter kasi nga po hindi na natin sila pwedeng paghiwalayin. Ilan na lang po my dear students dito sa word syllabus ang nauulit. So, si SNS, hindi na sila kasama sa options na pwedeng maulit. Ilan na lang po yung letters na pwedeng maulit. So, that is L. So, we have here 2 factorial. So, kapag i-calculator po natin yan, that will give us 7, or the permutation of 7 taken 7 at a time divided by 2 factorial, that will give us 2,520. So this will give us 2,520. Pero dito na po ba natatapos? Hindi pa po. Kasi nga po my dear students, diba, ang tinatanong sa atin, the probability. Ibig sabihin po, fraction or decimal yung magiging result natin. So para po ma-compute natin yung probability na kailangan po yung 2s ay laging together. So s and s together. Kailangan po alamin muna po natin kung ilan po sa matotal yung numbers na pwede nating ma-rearrange sa syllabus using this formula kanina. So actually, di ba kanina na-solve na natin siya, and that is 10,080. So ngayon po, yung probability na yung dalawang S ay magkasama, yun po yung magiging numerator natin. So isulat po natin to dito, 2,520. So ibig sabihin po, kapag ini-lowest term natin yan, that is 2,520 over 10,080. So that will give us 1/4. So ibig sabihin po, yung probability po na meron tayo kung saan yung S and S daw po ay laging magkasama is 1/4. So this is our probability. So I get po, my dear students, in probability po kasi, this is the number of favorable outcome all over the total outcomes. So kung makikita niyo po, yung total outcomes po na pwedeng makabuo ng 8-letter word sa syllabus is 10,080. Pero ilan po yung favorable? Doon sa 10,080, ilan lang po doon yung words kung saan yung S at si S ay magkasama. So that is 2,520. At ang tinatanong po sa atin is probability. So since probability po, fraction po tayo. So kailangan po natin kuhanin yung 2,520 divided by 10,080. So that is 1/4. Okay, so if you still have questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Opo. So now let's proceed with our last example. For our last example, from the word syllabus, if a word is chosen at a random, find the probability that the 8-letter word begins and ends with L. So to illustrate that, ibig sabihin daw po si L and other 6-letter words dito nasa pagitan nilang dalawang L. So still po gagamitin po natin yung n factorial all over x factorial, y factorial, and z factorial kung saan po si x, y, z ay mga nauulit na letters sa word syllabus. So since po my dear students, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we only have 6 here. 6 factorial all over. So since wala na po si L and L, ilan na lang po yung mga letters na pwede nating maulit dito? Si S at si S pwedeng maulit. Kaya ibig sabihin that is only 2 factorial. Si Y po ba naulit? Hindi. Si A naulit? Hindi din po. Si B naulit? Hindi din po. At si U naulit? Hindi din po. Kaya ibig sabihin that is only 6 factorial all over 2 factorial. And to calculate that, using our calculator, that is 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, that will give us 360. So 360 po ba ang answer? Hindi po. Kasi po ang tinatanong po sa atin is the probability. And when we are talking about probability, it is the probability is equal to the number of favorable outcomes all over the total outcomes. So remember po, di ba yung total outcomes natin kanina, so sulat lang po natin dito, begins and ends with L. So that is favorable outcome all over total outcome. So ilan po yung favorable outcome natin? That is 360. All over, ilan po yung total outcomes na magkakaroon tayo ng 8-letter words? So doon po sa first nating, or doon po sa example 2.1, ang nasolve po natin is 10,080. So that will give us 360 all over 10,080. So that will give us 1 over 28. So that is our probability. The probability po, my dear students, of getting an 8-letter word wherein the 8-letter word begins and ends with letter L is actually 1 over 28. So yun po yung ating probability. So are there still questions? If there are still questions, please, my dear students, please don't hesitate to comment down below. That's it for today, my dear students. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you next time. Goodbye!